John here for the Best Buy Canada blog, and thanks to my friends over at Nintendo of Canada, I went hands on early with a Nintendo Switch OLED model. Today, I'll be unboxing it and showing you exactly what comes inside. You'll be able to find my full review over on the Best Buy Canada blog. So first here, we're going to look at the box, and you can see on the back here, they'll show the different modes: tabletop mode, TV mode, and handheld mode that you can use with the Nintendo Switch OLED model. It's pretty similar to those of the standard Switch that was released in 2017. And here we can see the side of the box. It tells what it comes with: power adapter, HDMI, JoyCons, the tablet itself, the Nintendo Switch, power adapter. Now, what's interesting to note is that the Nintendo Switch OLED model does come with an OLED screen, and it's a 7-inch, which is approximately zero point 0.8 of an inch larger than the Nintendo Switch model here. So here you can see at the side here, it's just telling you basically that information that I gave you there. And yeah, there's the front of the box. So now we're going to open it up here and we will see what is inside. Alrighty, opening up the flap, and there you can see we've got the Joy-Cons and the Nintendo Switch itself, tablet. So we're going to open this up here and set that down there. And there is the dock. Let me get that taken out here. Set it over here. HDMI cable. And there's the power adapter. And it's important to note that everything is standard, interchangeable on these as well. So the Joy-Cons, even though the screen is bigger on the Nintendo Switch OLED model, the actual Nintendo Switch itself is still the same size. It's just the viewing area is bigger, and of course an updated screen, which offers brighter visuals, and the colors really pop. So here you go. Here's the Switch itself. Get it out of the package here. And yep, as you can see, it just has it's the same size as a regular Nintendo Switch, but it just has that bigger viewing area, and it's got a new stand as well, which we'll take a look at later. We'll open this up here. Here's the Joy-Cons. And again, these Joy-Cons can be used on other Nintendo Switch, so you don't have to worry about that. I know there were some questions from some people wondering, with a bigger screen, does that mean that these Joy-Cons are bigger? Can we use the older Joy-Cons, so to say? And yeah, you can. There's really no difference in the Joy-Cons whatsoever. So there you go. I've got those attached there, and it's looking good. There's the back. And I'll open this up just a little bit here. You can see that new stand there, much better than the old Nintendo Switch stand. This really is more durable and sturdy. There you go. Look at that. You can see it set down there. And let me move it up over here to the side. We'll take a look at the dock here. Get that unwrapped. Now the dock here, you'll notice, we'll take a look at it. It has an Ethernet adapter built in on the back there. There's two USBs here, just like the original Nintendo Switch dock. But what they've done here on the back, there was they swapped out the USB that used to be inside there for an Ethernet adapter. So that way you can go hardwired rather than Wi-Fi. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. Get that put back together here. Perfect. And there's the Nintendo Switch. Oops. Yeah, let's go ahead. You got to close the stand there. Slides right in. And there you go. Look at that. Sits perfectly fine in there. And let's take a look here. As I mentioned here, these are all just standard things that are interchangeable on the Switch itself. Put that back in. These are each for the Joy-Cons if you want to use them separately for multiplayer games. Power adapter, just the standard power adapter for the Switch. And the HDMI cable. And then the grip where you can slide each of the Joy-Cons in and use it more like a traditional controller. So here is the back of the Switch. You can see it's got a more sturdy stand there. It's really durable and it feels a lot better. I'm more confident with the Switch staying in one spot there with this stand. You can see it spans the entire width of the Switch tablet pretty much. And yeah, it's very sturdy and glad that they added that. So there you go. This is the Nintendo Switch OLED model. You can find my full review and impressions over on the Best Buy Canada blog. Be sure to check it out, and I'll also be reviewing Metroid Dread. I hope to see you there. Thanks so much, everybody. Take care. Have a wonderful day.